Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will leave for New Delhi tomorrow to meet the central ministers to discuss various issues relating to the state. Speaking to the media at the sideline of the installation ceremony of Archbishop Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, Chief Minister said during his visit to New Delhi he will discuss with ministers of agriculture, tourism, power and other including political issues. Sangma said that he will try to see an audience with Union Home Minister Amit Shah relating to the implementation of inner-light permit in the state.
As I was mentioning earlier also yesterday to our press media, people that I'll be meeting about close to 15 ministers. I have got issues ranging from agriculture to obviously political, to road construction, tourism, water resource and all other departments that are there. So it's going to be a marathon of meetings, and obviously the other issues also which we have been pressing on, which we have been demanding, resolutions have been taken for that. Those will continue and we will continue to pursue with Government of India so that we can achieve the different targets that we have.